The way we cook our soup, cook our soup, cook our soup.
Ooh.
This is the way we cook our soup with Leo and his friends.
Making some soup. It's very famous.
The way we cook our soup, cook our soup, cook our soup. This is the way we cook our soup with Leo and his friends.
Welcome to Cooking with Taco Tony. That's right, I'm Italian and I'm about to cook. What am I about to cook? I'm about to make some soup. Some soup. Help me, it's dark. Yeah, I'm about to make a soup. And, so you need a pot. That's the thing, you need a pot. And you need something to stir. And let's see what else we can put together. I wonder what I'm gonna call this soup. I don't know. We'll figure it out as we go. First you need fire diced garlic, tomatoes. So you put that right there. We're going to open it with the can opener. You're also going to need some sweet peas. You're going to need some pears. And this is going to be called chicken cheese enchilada style soup. And that's what we're all putting together with the can opener. And we're going to figure out the name. But let's start getting to work. Let's go. We got a kitchen. We got to get cooking. Here we go. Round, 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 go round, round, round. Round, 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 go round, round, round. Round, 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 go round, round, round. Go round, 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 go round, round, round. Round, round, round. Making combinations. Now we gonna go round, 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 round. Let's go round, 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 round. Woo! We're getting cooking. Here's some other ingredients you need. You need pumpkin spice, hot sauce, mild sauce, ranch, shredded cheese, ketchup, and pepperonis. That's all going together in this lovely, lovely soup. Alright, now I thought of a name. This is Tony's famous enchilada fire roasted sleepwalker soup. Whoa! That's a good name, dude. Yeah. Wow, man. Let's get this started. Alright, here you go. So you put the sweet peas in with the pears. Pumpkin apple cider, ranch, hot sauce, mild sauce, pepperonis, cheese. You need a whole bag of cheese. Diced fire roasted tomatoes. And we gotta get the little mix right here. Enchilada style chicken cheese soup. Oh my god, dude. Whoa. Oh my lord. Look at that. Beautiful bean footage. And then you get your spoon. That's right. Bang, bang, bang. Pop, pop, pop. Bang, bang, bang. Pop, pop, pop. Now you stir it around. Stir it around, dude. Light this sucker up. Light this sucker up. Woo! We're cooking. Yeah. Yeah, we're cooking, dude. We're cooking. Woo! We're cooking. Yeah. We in the house. This gonna be the best soup ever. Tony's famous Enchilada fire roasted Sleepwalker soup. Woo! Yeah, it's bubbling. Oh my god. Now you cook it on the stove for like 20 minutes. 20 minutes. We'll come back and see how it does. Woo! Yeah, making some soup. Making some soup. It's very famous. We're making some soup. Making some soup. Making the soup. I gave you all the ingredients and this is my soup. The famous soup is ready. Are you ready to eat? I am. So you get a big, big scoop. Oh my lord, dude. Oh my lord. And you put it in your bowl and you get another big scoop. Oh my god. And you put it in the bowl. So dude, this is Tony's famous enchilada fire roasted soup. Fire roasted Sleepwalker soup. Now all we gotta do is try it out. We want food. We want food. All right, here you go. Here you go. Stir it around. It's been seasoned. It's got so much good stuff. Here we go. One big bite. One big bite of the Sleepwalker soup. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. This is its taste. Oh. Mmm. Not bad. I actually do like this. I actually made something good. Just totally out around this. I made it. Mmm. I give this special soup 10 out of 10. 10 stars. Hands down. Try it out. Try this recipe. It's something good, man. You know, you gotta go in the kitchen, look around, see what you got. You can do it. This is one only Taco Tony with another really good recipe. This is one of my secrets. I've been saving this a long time to share with y'all. This is top secret. This is KFC might have not have shared his secret. The Colonel didn't, but I did. See you next time for Tacos Tony's Famous Kitchen. Let's go. Shout out to the chat.
The way we cook our soup, cook our soup, cook our soup.
Ooh.
This is the way we cook our soup with Leo and his friends.
Making some soup. It's very famous.
The way we cook our soup, cook our soup, cook our soup. This is the way we cook our soup with Leo and his friends.